Hello everyone, welcome back to Traveling For You YouTube channel. Today I like to share how to apply Armenia E-Visa. Armenia E-Visa application process will take just 5 to 10 minutes with a very minimum document requirement. And the cost is just $7. If you got rejected first time, don't worry, just apply again. I'm sure you're aware that Armenia is a beautiful country with lovely people, culture, food, landscape, and very affordable. The country is between Europe and Asia. It's very lovely. If you haven't been there, just plan get out there. Without further ado, let's get started. Yes, so now here I am opening the Armenia E-Visa page. It's a evisa.mfa.am. So this is the website that we need to go. So this is the E-Visa issuance system, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Republic of Armenia. Yeah, you can see visit visa up to 21 days is non-refundable. Of course, it just costs $7, and these are the contact number. But normally, I try to call it, they don't answer. I'm sorry for that. Also, you can apply the up to 120 days stays, but it's $34. It takes approximately about 3 working days, but sometimes it takes longer than this. You can check the application process here. And let's go here. This is applying for E-Visa. I'm opening here. Now you can check eligibility, and let's fill up this travel document, ordinary passport, country where you are from, just select. It's very simple. So I'm from Myanmar, so I enter. You need to enter your email. Email need to be accurate because it is very important that communicate through email only. So let's type email. Let's say this is my email. You need to enter this number. All right, let's see, W29A5G. All right, next. So I will be receiving the email confirmation that for the application, the email verification. So I need to check email. That email is only valid for 24 hours. Yeah, so let's check my email. So yes, this is the email verification. So I need to confirm, just confirm, and it will take me to the application page. So just enter passport number. I'm going to enter just dummy passport number. May issued on 12 July. These are not real passport information. You can put here expiry date or infinite. So let me put 01, 07 and 2030 maybe. Yeah. So given name, let me type traveling, and we need to put middle name and surname. So surname I will put 4, and middle name U. Yeah, again this is just dummy. Okay. Yeah, and I need to enter my date of birth, 02/01/1991. I'm not that young. Country of birth, I'm from Myanmar, so I'm gonna put Myanmar. Okay, I'm just enter my country of birth, place of birth. I will just put Yangon. Here, if you ever been convicted any offensive crime, no, and occupation, managers, address of residence. So I will just put my city, Yangon, street 127, house number 101. Don't come there, it's not my house. Phone number 95992. These are not my number. Contact information in Armenia. What you can do is you just put the hotel address that you book, Yerevan. This is very important that you put accurate Armenia address. You just book the hotel and get that address and phone number, just put it there, that's fine. I'm gonna put Yerevan Central Hotel and phone number. I think I just put the hotel's phone number. I think when you get the reservation, I think you should get my phone number. So now here, attachment document, very simple document. The first one is the picture. Just upload your passport size photo, and it says 6 MB, and it's very simple. No strict passport photo, not very strict photo requirement. It's basic photo requirement. So I have done all. So let's upload the photo. Here I come, photo is uploaded, and you can see here what are the photos that acceptable for E-Visa. Here first page of your passport is very important. Without passport they will just reject. So valid for at least 3 months. Passport is very important. At least 2 page free from visa, or any marks, any stamp, empty page. So I'm uploading the passport. Yep, here document type, your supporting document, whatever you have, just put it. Hotel reservation, proof of funds, and other residence permit, any other visa, just upload. And if you have any additional information, just type, like if you are applying with the family, I am applying with family, so and so name, just put it. I think that's it, very simple, just 5 minutes. Let's move next. There's something wrong here, it's not moving next. Here this is, I didn't write properly. So 072, there's no 72, so 7 2023, no 2023, it should be 2030. Yep. Okay, now it's very important, your data must be truthful, match document provided by you. Of course, yes, we cannot provide the. Now here the next page is visit purpose, how many days you want to visit, short term 21 days, long term. So visa type, visa price, and you can just select tourism. Yes, and you have business, sport, culture, other activity, medical treatment. And so now we are going for tourism, so I just select the tourism. 21 days is enough. You can see here just $7. If it is long terms, $34. So I'm going to go with this $7 short term. Date of entry to Armenia, let's say I'm going on August 31st. Yeah, So here your visa will be valid for 90 days between 31st August. Yeah, and you can see you just verifying your all informations, and just click I have read agree terms and condition, as you know. Now next, just verifying your information. Now this is the payment process. Yeah, you can see here $7 USD commission fee, $1. It's cost $8. So you can pay by PayPal, you can pay by credit card, and very important. So I'm not going to make the payment for this because I'm not applying. So yes, once you submitted application, you should receive this email: e-visa application has been submitted. So this is the application ID. You need to keep this application ID when you do the visa status check. So you need to enter this application ID. Yeah, and just click here. You will get to the page that you can check the e-visa status. Once your visa application has been processed, you should receive another email. This is the email I received: your e-visa application status change. So, and you will receive your e-visa application is approved. If it is denied, it will say denied. So your visa is approved. Congratulations, and you can download e-visa right here. Yeah. So this is the download link. You just need to print, and let me show you how e-visa is look like. This is the e-visa. You can see the e-visa number, application ID, my name, and make sure that your name is correct, your country, passport number, and duration. So all the basics informations are here. So until valid, what is the validity? So e-visa is in official document permitting entry into and travel within Armenia. E-visa alternative to Armenia diplomatic mission. You don't need to go, and we strongly encourage print. It's very important that you print and carry hard copy. Yeah. You don't need to visit any embassy or any consulate to stamp your visa. Just print this document and go there. Alright, so you can see this application is very simple and easy. If your visa got rejected, just reapplying. For me, I applied 3 times with the same document, same process. I don't know how my visa application got rejected, but I applied 3 times. Finally, I got approved. My wife and my kid, they got approved in first attempt. I don't know what's different. Okay, thank you for watching. We hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe our channel. And for now, bye bye and see you next time.